Welcome to our guide for your Zeta digital safe lock. In this brief video, we will show you everything you need to know to secure and access your valuables with confidence. Upon installation, you'll find your welcome pack, which contains your lock instructions. There may be subtle variations based off of hardware upgrades, but let's go through the important user functionality to ensure that you're using your lock to its optimum capabilities. This is your Zeta electronic lock. On the front, you have your keypad, which also doubles as your battery compartment. Your lock will come installed with new high-quality alkaline batteries. For any lock configuration, we will always do this with the door open. The lock must also be in the open position. Currently, the only code that is set up is the 6-digit master code. The master code can control the entire lock. You can only change the master code if the code is known. You have one user code on this lock. The user code will open the safe, but can only be changed if the code is known. Let's open the safe. As per the instructions, we know the master code is 123456. Input the current master code. The lock will beep twice. Within 3 seconds, turn the handle clockwise and carefully pull open the door. Let's close the safe. Carefully close the door and turn the handle anti-clockwise. Test that the door is locked by gently turning the handle a few times. Now that we know the basic functionality of the Zeta lock, let's add a user code. The user code is a 6-digit code. We will do this first, as if we get it wrong, we can always erase the code and start again by utilising the master code. Enter the master code and open the safe door. Press and hold 1. The light will flash red and the lock will beep twice. Enter the current master code. Then enter your new user code. Then enter your new user code again. The last double beep indicates the code has been changed. The red light will then go out. We would recommend testing the new code several times whilst the safe door is open and keeping a log of the user code allocated to the lock. To delete a user code, we follow the next steps. Open the door with the master code. Remember to leave the safe in the open position. Within 10 seconds, press and hold 3 until the lock beeps twice. Now put your master code in again. The lock will now beep twice. The red light will then go out to confirm that the process is complete. Now that we know how to successfully add and delete a user code, let's change the master code. Open the door with the factory master code. Within 10 seconds of opening the door, press and hold 0 until the lock beeps twice. Put your current master code in and then input your 6-digit new master code. Re-enter that code. The lock will beep twice and the LED will go out to confirm it has been successfully programmed. We would recommend testing the code several times whilst the safe is in the open position and keeping a log of the user codes allocated to the lock. Let's change the batteries on your Zeta lock. If the lock or keypad makes intermittent beeping, then the battery may be low. On the underside of the keypad, there is a battery cover. Slide this to the right to expose the battery compartment. Remove the battery from the keypad gently, and without pulling on the battery cables, remove the 9-volt battery. Install your new 9-volt high-quality alkaline battery and return to the battery compartment. Close the battery cover and you can continue to use your lock. Upon When discussing your lock requirements with your account manager, you may also be interested in the Time Lock Advanced feature. Hopefully now you fully understand how to add, change and delete the codes on the Zeta lock. As always, if you have any questions or need any technical support, please feel free to call our 24/7 technical support team on 0800 526388 or visit our website at insafe.com. You're in safe hands.